Today I'm going to share with you how I make my soft, flat millet bread, which is completely gluten-free. It's got a lot of health benefits. You can easily prepare it and have it every single day without being worried to gain weight. And I'm going to show you in this video how to make it nice and soft every single time. Add the water into the small pot. To the water add the salt, turmeric powder, black pepper powder. Cover the pot and let it come to boil. After boiling, reduce the heat completely and add your millet flour completely into the pot. Do not stir at all, just cover the pot and let it stay as it is for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the pot from the heat. Pour all the ingredients inside the standing mixer, or you can do it with your hand as well. Start stirring and mixing everything until everything comes together. Then let it completely cool down. After it is cooled down, it is time to knead the dough and completely shape it into a soft dough. Start kneading the dough and start adding millet flour 1 spoon at a time until you will see a soft dough is formed. Place the dough on a surface and start kneading with your hand and bring the dough into a soft and smooth ball. Cover the dough and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's time to separate and divide the dough into small balls. Before opening up your flatbread, it is recommended to knead the small ball again. This will help your flatbread to come nice and softer after cooking it. Dust the surface and your dough with the millet flour and start opening up your dough using a roller pin. You can also form your dough after opening it up into a nice and round shape using a lid of a pot. To cook your bread, let the pan to get completely hot under the high flames. Place the bread inside the hot pan and let the bubbles appear on the surface of the bread. Once the bubble appears, just turn over the bread and start pressing it until every part of the bread cooks. I have linked down the high quality organic millet flour for you at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment, that you can go and get one for yourself. Here I'm going to share you a tip about making flatbread, which makes your life much easier, and this is what I do all the time. I open up all my dough and make my flatbread ready, and before cooking them I place them between the cling film and I cover it and I freeze it, and every time that I need, I directly take as many as I want from the frozen and put it inside the pan and cook it. So this way I have always nice, healthy, hot and soft bread every day that I need it, and this will save your time tremendously.